Protektive Pak is a leading manufacturer of ESD material handling and packaging solutions. We offer a complete line of ESD packaging products for transporting, storage, handling, and shipping of static-sensitive assemblies and components. Our range of products includes implant handlers, storage containers, circuit board shippers, open bin boxes, real storage containers, stacking tech trays, dissipative and conductive ESD foam, ESD tape, and much more. Protektive Pak offers a unique impregnated corrugated material that provides greater durability than painted corrugated material. The buried shielding layer protects ESD-sensitive items and minimizes sloughing and rub-off contamination. We also offer many of our products in a fluted plastic material, which is an economical alternative to injection molded products. It is both chemical and moisture resistant, making it ideal for use where corrugated and/or paper products cannot be used. Protektive Pak offers hundreds of standard sizes and styles of ESD containers. While these solve most material handling and storage requirements, sometimes a custom product is needed, and Protektive Pak has the custom manufacturing capabilities to meet your special needs. Protektive Pak offers a combination of experience, quality, utility, and design to create and provide the best solution for your ESD packaging requirements.